Standard 2nd, Science, Chapter number 11, The Sun and Our Shadow. Textbook exercise. Tick the correct answer. The sun rises in the option A is west, B east and C north. So answer will come B east. Okay. Option B east answer will come. So you do to tick mark here. At noon, our shadow is the biggest, longest or shortest. So option C will come shortest. So you do to tick mark on C. Which is the natural source of light on the earth? The sun, moon or stars? So answer will come the sun. Match the following. Shadow. So shadow is a dark shape. Midday. What you see at midday? Short shadow, shortest shadow. And option C, question 3, electric bulb. So option B will come human made source of light. Complete the sentences with the help of the word given below. Long, opposite and living thing. These three option is already given. So we have to read this sentence and we have to find that which option will come. The shadow of an object is formed on the dash side of the source of light. So the shadow of an object is formed on the opposite side. I have given you example of the torch, that if we will light the torch and from the opposite side and on the wall, at that time what you can see? Shadow. So from which direction light we have to put on the wall? On the opposite side. So answer will come opposite. The shadow of an object is formed on the opposite side of the source of the light. Second number, in the morning and evening, shadow are long, and at the noon time, shadow is short. So answer will come long. Without the sun, there would be no living thing on the earth. So option C will come no living things. Fine. Write T for true and F for false sentences. The sun is the human made source of light. No, wrong. So option will come F, false, because the sun is the natural source of light. Length and direction of shadow depend upon the position of the sun in the sky. Yes, it is true. So answer will come true. Answer the following question. What do we get from the sun? Again I am repeating, what do we get from the sun? So answer will come heat and light. What it will come? Heat and light. I will show you afterwards the answer key of this, but first you learn this and afterwards I will show you the answer of these two question answer. Okay. How is shadow formed? So how is shadow formed? What I explain you? A shadow is formed when the path of light is blocked by an object. Again I am repeating, a shadow is formed when the path of the light is blocked by an object. So in first number question answer will come, what do we get from the sun? So answer will come heat and light. And second number, how is a shadow formed? So answer will come, a shadow is formed when the path of light is blocked by an object. In think and answer, why do we not see our shadow in a dark room? So answer will come, we do not see our shadow in a dark room because there is no light. Again I am repeating, why do we not see our shadow in the dark room? So answer will come, we do not see our shadow in a dark room because there is no light. Here value corner it is given. Tick the correct answer. Rima make hand shadow of animal while playing with her 4-year-old younger brother. But he gets scared and started crying. What should Rima do? Continues to scare him, scold him, or make him stop crying and try to please him? So answer will come C option. Fine. So here chapter ends.